Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. We're out taking a drive today so we can check out the QuadraTop SkyLite front Freedom Panel clear replacement panels for your factory hardtops found in your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs, as well as your 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, and of course the 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT. These panels are designed to easily replace those Freedom panels on either your 2 or 4-door Wrangler or Gladiator, giving you a permanent clear view of the sky up above. Whether it's a nice sunny day or maybe an inclement weather day with rain, sleet, snow, you can rest easy knowing you're protected from the elements with a perfectly clear view of the sky underneath your SkyLite top. They're proudly made right here in the USA from an ultra durable Macrolon Toughac polycarbonate material with a dark gray smoke tint to it that is 100% UV stable. Now, that tint is going to help cut down some of the sunlight while still giving you a great view of the sky up above. And that ultra durable polycarbonate is designed to withstand temperatures ranging from 150 degrees Fahrenheit all the way down to -200, so you can rest easy knowing that you can leave your SkyLite installed on your Jeep for year-round viewing of the sky up above. Getting your SkyLite top installed is easy. It takes just a few minutes and requires absolutely no tools at all. Once you have your factory Freedom panels removed from your Wrangler or Gladiator and stashed away safely, it's as simple as dropping your SkyLite into place on your Jeep. We've got some familiar twist latches here at the front center on the windshield. We've also got some clamp latches behind the visor on each side. Another pair of twist latches holds it down at the back here at the soundbar. And finally, some convenient twist knobs install on the pre-installed studs that drop right here through your sport bars on both the driver and passenger side to give you a weather-tight seal, keeping the elements out of the Jeep where they belong, keeping you dry whether it's raining, snowing, sleeting, or a great sunny day like we have today. Now, in addition to the top for the JL and the JT, as I mentioned, we also have a top we can check out for the JK Wrangler. So as you can see, the SkyLite top for the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK differs just slightly than the version for the JL Wrangler and the Gladiator, mainly in the design of the top. You'll notice that instead of those individual ribs that match the factory top on the newer JL and the Gladiator, for the JK we've got one center rib for rigidity here and 2 larger flat panels, giving us a great view of the sky up above the Jeep. Even with those design differences, it's still constructed with that same great ultra durable Toughac polycarbonate material with that deep dark gray sunscreen tint to help cut down the light coming through into the cabin of your Wrangler. Still gives us a great view of the sky up above, whether it's a nice sunny day or maybe an inclement day with rain coming down from the clouds, which still gives you a pretty nice view, I might add. And of course, still proudly made right here in the USA. Now, getting the QuadraTop SkyLite installed in your JK is just as easy. After removing your factory Freedom panels and stashing them away safely, we can drop the SkyLite into place. Now, we have 3 latches across the windshield, 1 behind each visor, and a 3rd latch right here in the center. We've got 2 knobs that will install here through the soundbar, securing the rear of the SkyLite into place. And finally, 2 knobs on each side of the vehicle that go through the sport bar over the driver door and the passenger side, giving you a weather-tight seal, keeping the rain outside of your Jeep, but giving you a great view of the sky above without the need to remove those factory Freedom panels. Now, if you want to get more information or to purchase a QuadraTop SkyLite for your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK or your 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL or 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT, you can click that info button to head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the SkyLite or how to get it installed, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to quadratec.com. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.